Question number 26, 26, then 27, 28, 29, 30. These questions we can solve. Okay? 26th question. Read the question 26. Mineral having the formula AB2, 1:2 ratio. A is 1 and B is 2, right? Having cubic closest packed structure means CCP. Cubic closest packed structure means CCP. With A atoms occupying the lattice points means A forms CCP. That is, A gives number of spheres. Number of spheres. If I take 1, then what else is given? B, what? Tetrahedral sites are occupied by the B atoms. See, for A number of spheres, 1 number of spheres are there. How many T voids are produced? 2n. So what is the ratio? 1:2. What is the ratio of atoms of A and B in the formula? 1:2. That means all the T voids are occupied, or a part of T voids are occupied? Part. You see formula, you see what ratio you are getting? 1:2 formula. How many sphere ratio of spheres and T voids ratio? 1:2. That means all the T voids are occupied by B? Yes. So what is the fraction of B? 1. That's it. Okay, 1 is the fraction. It should not be called as fraction then. 1 is not a fraction. How the law? Yes. Next question, question number 27. Silver crystallizes in CCP, okay, with an edge length of 407 picometers. CCP, see, closest packing, CCP is also called as FCC. CCP is also called as FCC. Remember this. Edge length is given. What is asked to find out? Radius. Radius R. Give the relationship between edge length and radius for FCC unit cell. A is equal to 2 root 2 R. You should not say 2 root 2 R. You should say 2.8 times R. Okay, for CET purpose. Okay, 2.8 times R. So R is equal to edge length by 2.8. See 2.8 as 3. See it as 3. You are taking it a larger value. So what is the A value given? 407. Okay, 407 by 3 approximately. Approximation it is. So what is the answer? Approximately 130. The answer should be more than 130. Should be more than 130 because we have assumed the denominator a greater value. So the value expected should be greater than what we got. So it is more than 130. So the answer is 143. 143.9. Okay. Next one. 28th question. What is the formula of magnetic oxide of cobalt used in recording tapes? Tapes. Okay. That crystallizes with cobalt atoms occupying 1/8 of the tetrahedral voids and half of the octahedral voids, okay, which are fitted in the closest packed array of oxide ions. Octahedral holes and tetrahedral holes are present in a closest packed array of oxides. That is, oxides are forming CCP, whereas cobalt ions are forming, occupying the voids. They are occupying the voids. Right? Voids are occupied by what? Cobalt ions. Lattice is made up of what ions? Oxide ions. Okay. So what are the voids? What all voids are occupied by cobalt? Half, 1/8 of T voids and 1/2 of O voids. Octahedral voids. Okay. So we should write oxygen is to cobalt ratio Oxygen forms CCP1. Am I right? One sphere. How many T voids are produced? 2. What part of is occupied? 1/8. Plus how many ovoids are produced? 1. What part is occupied? 1/2. So it is 4 times. 1/4 plus 1/4. 1/2 plus, no, yes of course, 1/4 plus 1/2. 3/4. 3/4. 4 is to 3. So what is the formula? CO3O4. CO3O4. Next question. See, we are practicing these questions. Okay, this concept is not new for you all. You should solve along with me. You should not wait for me to get the answer. Later on you start copying it. You should not copy the answers. You should solve the questions after getting the hint. Go to the next question. 29th question. Tell me the answer. 29th question. See, in FCC unit cell. This is an FCC unit cell. How many? What are the places occupied by FCC unit cell? Heli. Corners and face centers are occupied. Corners and face centers are occupied. So I am going to show you the corners and face centers which are occupied. So these are the face centers. 6 face centers, and these are the corners which are being occupied by the particles. Okay, if you see one small cube in this diagram, see one small cube, such type of 8 cubes are there. In this small cube, not all the corners are occupied. In this small cube, not all the corners are occupied. This is one occupied. This is one occupied. This is another occupied. One more is over it. This is another occupied. So there is 3 spheres in one plane and one above the plane. What is this geometry? Tetrahedral geometry. So in every small cubes in FCC, how many such type of voids are there? Estimate total? 8. So within the unit cell, how many tetrahedral voids are present? 8 are present. So ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಟೆಟ್ರಾಹೆಡ್ರಲ್ ವಾಯ್ಡ್, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದಿದೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ 2 ಇವೆ, ಮೇಲೆ 4 ಇವೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಟಿ ವಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 8. ಓಕೆ, ಗೋ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. 31ಗೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ. Draw the diagram for 31st question. What is given? Square 2D packet spheres. Square 2D packet spheres. So these are square packing. Square 2D close packing. And one more is given. Hexagonal 2D packet sphere layers. This is hexagonal 2D packet layers. Is it not? See, in these spheres, one sphere is in contact with how many spheres? Here, one sphere is in touch with how many spheres? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So coordination number of this is equal to 6. Look at this. Here, one sphere is in touch with how many spheres? 1, 2, 3, 4. So coordination number is equal to 4. So your answer is 4, 6. Okay? Diagram draw ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು. Coordination number ಈ ಥರ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿರಬೇಕು. Then only you will understand. Every time you should write a relevant explanation to each question. Required explanation should be there. Then only you can refer your notebook. Yes, question number 32. What is the question it is? What is the lattice given? BCC lattice is given. What else is given? BCC lattice is given. Edge length is given. What is the value of edge length? 352 picometers or nanometers? Picometers. Yes, what is asked to find? Volume of Avogadro number of atoms. What is an atom assumed as? What is the shape of an atom? Spherical. What is volume of a sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. What is the volume of Avogadro number of spheres? Into Avogadro number. So, volume of 1 mole of spheres should be equal to 6 into 10 raised to 23 into volume of the sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. We should know the value of r. Edge length is given, BCC lattice is mentioned. What is the relationship between edge length and the radius of BCC unit cell? Yes, A is equal to 4 by root 3 into r. We should not see it as 4 by root 3. We should see it as what? 2.3. Okay. So, r should be equal to what? 352 divided by 2.3. So, it is approximately estaಗುತ್ತೆ. Very close answer, you tell me. 1. See, 2 ಇಂದ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 150, 160, 170 ಇಸ್ 2.3. 2 ಇಂದ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 170 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It is less than 170. Is it not? Let us take it as 150. See here, it is 150 picometer. Look at the answers. What is the unit given? Centimeter. Here the length is in what? Meter. Meter nallide length, but answer alli ellide? Centimeter. Convert ಮಾಡಿ, pico value substitute ಮಾಡಿ. 150 10 raised to minus 12 into 10 raised to 2 centimeter. Okay, write it in scientific notation. 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 8. Okay, why to see this as 1.5? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ r ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ, r ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 1.5 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅನಿಸ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. See that 1.5 as 3 by 2. What is 3 cube? What is 2 cube? Simple. See, write down, solve ಮಾಡಿ. 6 into 10 raised to 23 into 4 by 3 into 3 by 2 whole cube into 10 raised to minus 24. Am I right? Is it not right? 10 raised to minus 8 cube is what? 10 raised to minus 24. See, 3 2s are okay. Let it be 6 into 10 raised to minus 1 into 4 by 3 into 27 divided by 8. Okay. Pi value 3. L bittini pi. Okay. Pi value 3.142 ಇದೆಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ 3.1 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು? 3 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. 4 1s are 4 2s are 2 1s are 2 3s are 27 into 3 into 10 raised to minus 1. 2.7 into 3. 2.7 into ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 8 point something ಬರುತ್ತೆ. More than 8 is the answer should be. ಯಾಕೆ more than 8 ಇರಬೇಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ? ನಾನು 3 ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, 3.1 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 153 ಇದೆ, ನಾವು 1.5 ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವೆರಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ? ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಬಂದಿರೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗಿಂತ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹುಡುಕೋದು ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು? 8.9. ಅದರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಟು ದಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ 8.9 is the answer. Question number 33. See, metal halogen. X is halogen, M is metal. Okay, metals are cations, right? Halogens are anions. Halogens are, halide ions are larger, metal ions are smaller. So ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ionic compound ಅಲ್ಲಿ larger ions always forms the lattice, smaller ions occupy the voids. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ larger ion ಅಂದರೆ chloride X ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. X forms the FCC. X forms the FCC. FCC ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್? ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿವೆ? ಯಾವ ಶೇಪಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಶೇಪ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಶೇಪ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್. ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಎಫ್ ಸಿ ಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರದ್ದು ಶೇಪ್ ಇದೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್? ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್. ಸೊ ವೇರ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್? ಫೇಸ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ನಾನು, ಹೌದಾ? ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಮ್. ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಮ್. ಸೊ ವೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್? Corners, what is the share? 1/8 plus where else? Face center, how many? 6. What is the share? 1/2. Where are square shaped particles? M atoms. Diagram nodri, hange ಏನು ಬರಲ್ಲ. See the question paper, see the diagram. Edges, how many edges are there? 12 edges. What is the share? Share 1/4. Okay, plus where else? Body center 1 into 1. Okay, so ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 3 plus 1 4. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 4 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ mx is the formula. Question number 35, use Pythagoras theorem and solve. Use Pythagoras theorem. Is it the diagram given? Bigger circles represents chloride, smaller circle represents sodium. Take one right angle triangle, apply Pythagoras theorem and get the ratio. Proceed. In AC, how many bigger circle radii are there? In AC, how many bigger circle radii are there? 4. Okay, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, in AC, 4 radius of anion whole square, right? Anion, chloride is anion. 4 anion radii are there in AC whole square is equal to, in AB, 2 anion radius and 2 cation radius are there, right? Smaller is cation, bigger is anion. Plus in BC also 2 anion and 2 cation are there. This is one term, this is another term. 2 similar terms, 2 times. Okay, 4 anion radii square is equal to 2 times 2 anion radius plus 2 cation radius. Is it right? Square. Square madilla. Square. Right? Square remove madi. 4 r minus is equal to root 2 times into 2r minus plus 2r plus. Take 2 common. 2. Okay. So 2r minus, take this r minus to the other side, minus root 2r minus should be equal to what? 2r plus, no, root 2r plus. Can you take root 2 common? Right? So root 2 minus 1 into r minus is equal to r plus. I've taken r plus minus also common. Root 2 minus 1 into r minus is equal to r plus. What is this difference? 0.414. So r plus by r minus is equal to 0.414. Sorry there. So radius of cation divided by radius of is equal to 0.414. Near this question number yaudu 35, you write exercise question number 14 maybe bari. Exercise question number 14. You should solve that question by knowing this question. By solving this, same method is employed there also. Come to 43. Mark ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. 43 ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. 43 ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಮರಿ? ಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಎಸ್, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋರು ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 43 ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 55. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 55. ಹೇಳಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯಾವುದು? 55 ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು. 4 ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ? You are at which question? Tell me. 55. You are taking lot of time for this then. So much time you should not take. C in a cubic close packing means FCC. FCC. There is one octahedral void within the unit cell and one octahedral void at each of the edges. Right? Each of the edge one octahedral void. Within the unit cell one octahedral void, and within the unit cell there are 8 tetrahedral voids. Within the unit cell there are 8 tetrahedral voids. That is why I expect you to draw the diagrams. ಆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೀವು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವಾಗ A B2 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆಟ್ರಾಹೆಡ್ರಲ್ ವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆಕ್ಯುಪೈಡ್? 1 ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರು. ಅವಾಗ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಅದು ನೀವು ಯಾರು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸಿ ಇ ಟಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸು, ನೀಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸು, IIT ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರು ಅಂದರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ರೆಲೆವೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಆರ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್. Show me one tetrahedral void on your paper by drawing a small cube. FCC ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಒಂದು FCC ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಅದ್ರಾಗಿನ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ನ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. Then you'll understand what is tetrahedral void. How many are they? You'll understand. We are just guides. We are not you are expecting us to give complete 100% answer. Separate a small cube which I am going to highlight here. Separate it. Where are the lattice points in the small cube? At all corners or only some corners? Only some corners. Alternate corners. Bekar check ಮಾಡಿ. Alternate corners are occupied. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಿಲ್ಲ. So alternate corners. This is not occupied. This is occupied. Okay. This is not occupied and it is occupied. See, alternate corners are occupied by the spheres in the small cube. So in one plane, this is the plane. This is the plane. In one plane, 3 spheres are there, over which one sphere is there. What is the shape? Tetrahedra. If you draw, you'll understand. How many such type of figures you'll find within the unit cell? 8 will be found. So what is your answer? 8 tetrahedral voids within the unit cell. Question number 59. Density is given, edge length is given, calcium fluoride compound is given, CaF2 is given. Thus, number of calcium and fluoride ions in the unit cell respectively are. That means you are supposed to calculate the number of particles per unit cell. Number of particles per unit cell. You find number of fluoride ions. That's it first. That means you should find the value of Z. Get the value of Z. Get the value of Z by using the density formula. Find the molecular masses. Calcium atomic mass is 40. What is fluorine atomic mass? Fluorine atomic mass 35. Chlorine alri fluorine ಕೇಳಿದೆ, fluorine ಅಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. See your textbook. See the table of atomic masses. Yes, 19, 18.9 ಇದೆ. Take it as 19. Okay, 19 plus 19, 36, 38. 38 plus 40, 78. Take it as 80. Round it off. Molecular mass 80. Find the value of Z. Edge length. Edge length meters nallide, but density centimeter nallide. Edge length na centimeter ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನ್ಯಾನೋಮೀಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಥಿಯರಿಟಿಕಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಲೆಂತ್ 0.5451. ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ 0.55 into 10 raised to minus 9 nanometer, 10 raised to 2 centimeter. Okay, write it as 5.5 into 10 raised to minus 8. 8 or 10 na? 10 raised to minus 8 na? Sure. See, this is what 10 raised to minus 7. If I place this decimal in front of one number, I have to multiply with what? 10 raised to minus 1. 10 raised to minus 1, 10 raised to minus 7 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 10 raised to minus 8. 5.5 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter ಆಯ್ತಿದು. What is this? Edge. Okay, ಇದ್ರ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಾವು, right? Density is equal to m into z into a cube divided by na. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲ ರೌಂಡ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿನಿ? 59. 3 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸಾಕು. 3 is into 5.5. 5 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಸಾಕು. ಓಕೆ, 5 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್? 5 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ 125 into 10 raised to minus 24 into 6 into 10 raised to 23 divided by m. What is m? 80. What that is equal to? Z. Get the value of Z. Yes, close answer is 4. Yes, you'll get 4. Z is equal to 4. Andre what is this? FCC. It is FCC. Fluoride fluoride forms FCC. That means what is the coordination number of fluoride? What is the formula given? What is the formula given? CaF2. Now tell me the ratio. Calcium ಎಷ್ಟು fluorines ಇರುತ್ತೆ? 1:2. So complete ratio, exact ratio, tell me. Exact ratio. 4:8. 1:2. 4:8. Okay. 4:8. Number of particles per unit cell of calciums are 4 and fluorides are 8. 1:8. 1:2. Next question 60. Use same Pythagoras theorem and get the answer. Lithium chloride has sodium chloride type structure, means FCC. Okay. With an edge length of 514 picometers, means 5.4 into 10 raised to minus 8 minus 10 meter, because answer is also in meter. You write it as 5.14 into 10 raised to minus 10. Okay. Assuming that lithium ion is small and chloride ions are big, then what are the radius anta kelar? Radius. Get the ratio. Ratio calculate ಮಾಡಿ. See 2r plus 2r minus whole square is equal to 2r minus plus whole square plus 2r minus whole square. Is it right? Bigger circles are negative ions, smaller circles are positive ions. Remember this. Always cations are small compared to anions. So 2r plus 2r minus is equal to root 2 times 2r minus plus 2r, that's it, whole square. ಹೋಯ್ತದು 2 into root 2 r minus one side ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. This send this to other side. 2r plus r, you can cancel 2 cancel ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ. r plus is equal to r plus, send this to other side, root 2 minus 1 into r minus. So r plus is equal to 0.414 times r minus. Okay, you got the radius. Ratio ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. Radius of cation is equal to 0.414 times radius of anion. You should know the radius of anion. From the edge length you can calculate the radius of anion. Edge length is given. FCC I said. FCC, for FCC radius is equal to edge length divided by 2.8 for FCC. Hope you know this shortcut. A is equal to 2 root 2 r times, that is 2.8 times r. R nothing but r is equal to a by 2.8. Here r is nothing but r minus, because bigger ions always forms the close packed structure. So you know the r minus. So in place of r minus, what you have to write? 0.414. Edge length, what is the edge length given? 514 divided by, what is the value? 2.8. Simplify and get me the answer. 182 ಬಂದಿದೆ. Recall ಮಾಡಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ. Recall, analyze, answer again, solve again. Solve ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? What we are supposed to calculate? What we are supposed to calculate? Radius of chloride ion. Radius of chloride calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ? 0. See, assuming that lithium ion is small enough that chloride ions are in contact, then radius of chloride ion is. ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಇದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇದನ್ನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದು? 514 by 2.8 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 182. So we would have not done this. We have calculated r plus also here. Radius of cation also we solved. What is the radius of cation? Value ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? Into 0.414 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 182 into 0.4. 0.4 is nothing but it is 18.2 into 4 ಮಾಡಿ. 18.2 into 4. 18 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 36. 36 2 times ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 72. Approximately 75. Approximately 75. Radius of cation is equal to 75 picometer. So unknowingly we have calculated the radius of cation also. It was not expected in the problem. Okay. Next 62. 62. Question number 62. Oxide ions forms the lattice, means 1. Half of the octahedral voids are occupied by the trivalent cation. Half of the octahedral voids are occupied by the trivalent cation. Okay, that is 1:2/3. 1:2/3. What is the formula? ಓದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? A2O3. A2O3. Then 1/8 of the tetrahedral voids are occupied by the divalent cation. 1/8 are occupied. Which voids? Tetrahedral voids. Mistake ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. See, oxygen is to A is to B. Okay. Oxygen forms HCP, close packed structure. A occupies what voids? Octahedral voids. 1/2 of the octahedral voids. Half is to B occupies what? Tetrahedral. 1/8 of the tetrahedral voids. 2/8. 2 tetrahedral voids are occupied. 1/8 of them are occupied. So it is 1/4. 1:1/2:1/4. So actually expected formula is 4:2:1. Is there any formula? Is there any formula? A2B1O4. Is there any formula? That's it. ಸ್ವಂತ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸು. ಕೈನೆಟಿಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಎಸ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟೈಮ್. 63. ಯು ಸಾಲ್ವ್, ಯು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್. ಗೆಟ್ ಮಿ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. 63. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್. 64. 64. C answer. P3 Qನಾ? ನೋ. ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. Q is forming close packing ಅಂದರೆ Q1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. P occupies 1/3 of the T voids, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? 2/3. P 2/3. Q1 ಅಂದರೆ 2:3 ಆಯಿತು. P2 Q3. ಎಸ್, P2 Q3. 65. Question number 65. Quick. Edge length is supposed to calculate. See, this is a CET question, NEET question, JEE question, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು, right? Where log books and calculators are not allowed. Where you are supposed to take A out of A cube. Edge length ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? A. A ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನಲ್ಲಿ? A ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. A ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಒಳಗಿಂದ A ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Without calculator. Hope you all are not using calculators. So the answer A should be the right answer.